In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Clickfunnels lead magnet funnel. We're going to walk through this together from inside your Clickfunnels account, so make sure you're logged in before you start following along. The goal here is simple. Set up a clean lead magnet funnel that captures email addresses on an opt-in page and then delivers your free resource or instructions on a thank you page. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and click on Funnels in the navigation menu. This is where all of your funnels live and where you'll be able to create new ones. Next, click the Create Funnel button. This opens up the funnel type options that ClickFunnels gives you. Since we're building a lead magnet funnel, you want something designed specifically to collect contact information. From the list of options, select the Lead Squeeze funnel type. This is optimized for capturing leads, usually in exchange for a free resource like a guide, checklist, or video. Take a moment to review the available templates by clicking Preview Template. This lets you see what the pages will look like before you commit and helps you pick a layout that best matches your brand and offer. Once you've found a design you like, choose your template and click Select Funnel. ClickFunnels will now generate the funnel using that template. After the funnel is created, click Customize Now to enter the funnel editor. It may take a few moments to load, so just be patient while the editor opens. This is where you'll actually shape the content and structure of your pages. Start with your opt-in page. Click Edit on that page to open it. Here, you can add or modify sections, rows, and elements to match your message and branding. Make sure you include an input element and set it to email field so you can capture your visitors' email addresses. This is the core of your lead magnet funnel. Then add a button element and set it to Submit Order or Form. This connects the form so that when someone clicks the button, their email is actually submitted and stored. When you're happy with the opt-in page, switch over to your thank you page using the mini-map on the left side of the editor. Click into it and edit just like you did before. You can add or remove sections depending on how simple or detailed you want it to be. Most importantly, provide clear download instructions or access information for your lead magnet so people know exactly how to get what they signed up for. Once all your changes are done, click Save. This locks in your edits and makes sure your new lead magnet funnel is ready to go.